Imagining pristine landscapes preserved for future generations brings forth the majestic concept of a national park. Establishing a national park is not just an environmental endeavor, but also a cultural and recreational milestone. This process begins by identifying and studying potential sites of natural, cultural, or recreational significance that are worthy of protection and public enjoyment. The next step is a comprehensive feasibility study. Experts analyze the ecological, historical, and recreational value of the site. This includes documenting plant and animal species, geological features, and historical artifacts. Public interest and potential visitor numbers are also vital metrics, ensuring the park's sustainability. The study often involves collaboration among environmental scientists, historians, and local communities. With the feasibility study completed, the proposal moves forward to governmental authorities for review. Public input is solicited through town halls and public comment periods, ensuring transparency and community involvement. Advocates for the park, including environmental groups and local residents, play a crucial role in garnering support and addressing concerns. Once the proposal is officially approved, the area is designated as a national park. This designation often comes with a set of stringent regulations aimed at preserving the area's natural beauty and ecological integrity. Land management plans are developed, detailing conservation strategies, visitor facilities, and infrastructure. This includes marked trails, visitor centers, and educational programs designed to enhance visitor experience while minimizing environmental impact. Funding the park infrastructure and management is a significant step. Funds are usually sourced from a combination of government budgets, grants, and donations. Public-private partnerships can also be instrumental in providing financial support. Investments are directed towards building and maintaining trails, visitor amenities, park rangers training, and ecological conservation projects. Once the park is operational, continual management and monitoring become essential to its longevity. Park rangers and staff preserve the landscape, protect wildlife, and educate visitors. Monitoring environmental changes and managing tourist impact are ongoing tasks. Adaptive management strategies are employed to address emerging challenges, ensuring that the park remains a vibrant and sustainable haven. Creating a national park is a journey of dedication, collaboration, and vision. It symbolizes a commitment to preserving nature's splendor and offers a place for people to reconnect with the natural world. By fostering awareness and appreciation, these protected areas inspire future generations to cherish and protect the environment. Visiting a national park is not only an adventure, but an opportunity to engage with the planet's heritage, leaving a profound impact on both nature and humanity.